Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Tableau data extracts with Hyper and scheduling, full guide step by step clearly. To backup Tableau data extracts using Hyper files and scheduling, start by opening Tableau desktop. Create a new Tableau workbook or open an existing one that contains your data extracts. Navigate to the worksheet where your data extract is located. Select the data extract from the data pane. Right-click on the extract and choose Export Data to Hyper. Choose a destination folder where your Hyper file will be saved. Name the Hyper file appropriately for easy identification. Click Save to create the Hyper extract file. Next, open Tableau Server or Tableau Online in your web browser. Sign in to your account and navigate to the project containing the workbook with the data extract. Locate the workbook and click on it to open. Look for the Extracts tab at the top of the page. Select Create Extract to schedule your backups. Choose the appropriate data source for your extracts. Set the frequency of the extract refresh. You can choose options such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Configure the start time for when you want the backup to execute. Optionally, you can set up notifications to inform you about the refresh status. Once configured, click Schedule to save your settings. Confirm that your new schedule appears in the Extracts tab. You can monitor the status of your scheduled extracts in the Tasks section. If needed, modify or delete your scheduled tasks from this section. To ensure your backups are functioning properly, review the logs regularly. Test the Hyper file backups to confirm that the data is accurate and up to date. By following these steps, your Tableau data extracts will be securely backed up and managed automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.